My name is Yassiah Bissiri. I hold a PhD in mining engineering from University of British Columbia, and I've been working with Penguin for the last 11 years. What I do here is basically, together with Greg Baden, Dr. Baden, teaching, and at the same time trying to manage the center. So the company itself is a research and development company, and what we do is to work on challenging projects that the natural resource industry faces. My background itself is in applied mathematics. What I do basically in the natural resources industry is to bring intelligent systems in solving problems. My math background allowed me to actually do some mathematical modeling, a lot of simulation. The concept of simulation is the art of mimicking real occurrences, in the real environment. Airplanes, they fly because we look at birds, and we look at submarines with all those things. When mining operation is underway, we cannot stop it and ask to measure something. No, what we can do is to try to first build a smaller scale. That's what we call a physical simulation. Or if that's not possible, too expensive, is to actually bring that whole operation into the computer. We have two baby projects that actually we nurture and we defend with a lot of pride and jealousy, of course. It is underground GPS, using the concept of natural occurrences such as the organization of ants within the colony to develop tools that will allow us to actually solve difficult problems. And one of the difficulties is to be able to coordinate robots underground, because we don't have the position and it's hard to actually track them down. So the concept of having a surface GPS where we can actually pinpoint down most of our equipment and be able to completely bring an underground mining system into a fully automated system where human beings will just stay on the surface. The second project is the underwater optical wireless communication system. We've been doing it since 2004. We produced a master's student that Dr. Baden and I, we successfully supervised. His work was the basis, the foundation for the work we're doing right now, which is basically controlling the behavior of photon underwater based on the turbidity and all kind of material and chemical component that we have in the water. It is important. It is important in the sense that our planet itself is about 71% underneath water and the rest is dry land. The big question is that the resources that we have are limited. They're fixed resources. And as we consume them, we will deplete them and we'll be to a point where we won't have enough resources to sustain our economy, because our economy are demanding that. What we try to do is to go look for the resources somewhere else, which is next to us, underwater. So we needed to actually create a system that will allow us to go down underneath the water and perform some construction, some exploration, and down the road, those products can even be used for surveillance, for inspection of boats, and so on. And so this is how the underwater communication system came into effect. We believe that we can be a small company but do amazing stuff.